Tony Beckman, and I'm so excited today because I'm showing you guys my squishies. I already opened the package because, yeah, I don't know why. And I already opened it. I'm going to start with my favorite. And this is the one I actually wanted really badly. And she gave me so many phone straps, like a lot. And then that's what it looks like. It is a really slow rising. Like, I'm gonna see, and it also matches my sweater. See? And I got a mini one of those. That's a lot of stuff. Yeah. Mini one of those. And they all smell so good. Ah, they smell so good. And this guy, which is also panda bun. Well, not really. And then this guy's really squishy too. And I really love this one. And it's one of my favorites too. It's like this guy, except it's yellow. Oh my god, guys, this is my favorite one. Guys, this all costs like $13, and it is on eBay. It's a 20-pack. Hey, I get this medium-sized bread, and it's not that squishy, but still, I love it. See, it's not slow rising, but this just like plain bread. Oh my god, guys, my mom loves this one. It's like sprinkled on the back. Some of them already fall off. See, they're falling off, but whatever. These ones aren't. It's a seashell. I got this one. It is also kind of squishy. And also, guys, comment down below for me to do a squishy video. But, it can't be cut open because I'm not cutting open my squishies. I got this fish guy. I got this guy, which I don't know what it is. It's just like the bread. And then this guy is actually really, really, really cute. This little corn. So funny. They all smell good for some reason. This corn. What else did I get? Oh yeah. I love this one a lot. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging because it's like kind of confusing to know what it is. It's like this big up donut with some chocolate drizzle on it, and it's really squishy too. So it's like really slow rising. See, it's also slow rising. And I got this another donut, which I'm also going to take out of the packaging. And it's also really cool. So yeah. And I got this other donut, which I'm not going to take out of the packaging. And 4 more. This guy, which just like this toasted bun, I think. It's also cute. Little toasted bun. This thing, kind of pastry. It's not that squishy, but this thing, it's like a croissant, I'm guessing. Take it out of packaging. This little croissant. They're also smooth. And this is my last one. This guy with this little smiley face on it. And guys, really, I am so happy. Then I have these, and I actually think this is my favorite. These two are my favorites. Squishy. You're so squishy. Squish. 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 Squishy. I love them so badly. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.